Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing koshercats.com. So as you can see, we have it here on Trustpilot, and they have a rating of 1.9 out of 5 stars, which is poor, and they have 12 reviews, and like 90% of them are 1 star. So let's actually go over the reviews. I agree with all the other reviews. I just wish I had the rest of them before I ordered. I also paid $69.95 and got the order confirmation but nothing else. I emailed them 5 times and called several times and got the busy signal. I guess they're consistent in their scamming techniques. Perhaps we should turn them into authorities because they have stolen a lot from people. I give them a negative 200 rating. 0 stars, scammers don't buy. Be leery of bargain price down known brand tools. So this company is listed a Ryobi handheld tire inflator for 38 in Google list. When I tried to contact them, they were always busy or didn't answer. I also received 2 different bills from these names. Stay away from this online store. Never received my order. I have I've ordered 2 trikes 2 months ago, but I've never received anything, not even a notification yet. Scam website, plain and simple. It's a scam, lower price, you send money, and bye-bye, big scammer. Bushnell rangefinder, warning to others, this is a scam site. And yeah, that is basically a site. So they're basically a scam. So please do not order anything from this site. They are completely a scam. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.